you for watching another episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission to help you decide what to love making next. Yeah, so this is another kit that's been sitting around our house for a while that I want to get into, see what I think. But before we get into this, a little bit of an appeal. We are trying to get the channel to a point where it'll be in the black instead of the deep red. So we could use your support, even just $1 a month would go a long way to get us to break even. We're not looking to make a big profit here. We're just trying to at least break even so we can continue to build things to help you decide what to love making next here. Anyway, well, thank you so much for watching again here. We also are putting in the description some of our favorite candies that you could purchase from Amazon. Purchase them will also give us an opportunity to support the channel. And also give you something delicious to eat. Okay, this is made by Simbo Block. This is Simbo Block Florist. This is the Sky Castle always appears in our dreams. Sure, why not? I'm not sure if it does have like an on-off switch, so I don't know if that's lighting or exactly what it does, or if it rotates or anything. I really don't know. And they got these giant stickers over that might be describing, I think it's lighting, but we'll see. Let's get it open up here and see what we're looking at on the inside here. I'm not sure if this is Lego sized or if it's a micro brick or, you know, small brick kit here. Let's take a look. Well, okay, it sure looks like it's Lego size. These are definitely not Lego bricks. These are Lego size, but very much fLego, fake Lego. Looks like they are numbered bags. That's always encouraging. We got 2, 4, and 3. All right. Let's take a quick look here. What I'm really interested in this is whether, you know, this is something that'd be good for a, not that it has to be a young girl, but, I mean, this is pretty frilly and fluffy purty. You know, if it'd be good for, yeah, a young lady to build, both in its beauty and funness to build. Looking at the instructions, it looks like you do a pretty good job of showing you the translucent bricks, which is nice. Sometimes it's a little hard to tell. And I'm trying to see what I probably don't like off the bat is I prefer brick instructions that show the old stuff in like a lighter color or even grayed out so that you can tell exactly where the new stuff goes. And this doesn't do that. So that is a negative for me anyway. Yeah, it looks like it's lighting as far as I can tell. So hopefully this will be very pretty lit up. We'll definitely, you know, put together and find out for us. Yeah, so I'm really curious as to how well these bricks perform. It does have this interesting base that it's going to sit on and sit up high in the air. Not crazy high, but just, you know, I imagine things probably going to be about a foot tall. I could be wrong. Yeah, let's take a look at the back here. Oh, looks like they have some other flower arrangements too. Those are pretty. Can you see them there? Come up a little closer to you. So that's I think I have seen those on TEMU before. Here is your brick count on the back that gives you the list of bricks. And does have around the base, it's going to have like a little, I think, paper scenery there to wrap around. Let's see here. It does have some instructions in the back here. It says lighting function introduction, which I know there's a switch at the top, and then maybe there's a lighting system on the bottom too. Well, I guess we're about to find out anyway. All right, well, we'll get this built on camera for you as we usually do, and then of course we'll give it a good review when we're done. All right. Here we go, let's get building. We've got a little bit of screen printing on the bricks. I don't know if you can see that. Looks pretty good there. So dress up just a little bit more. Okay, we got her all done. I'll do some zoom ins here in a minute, but I just want to show you what it looks like all the way around. Of course, I've got some of the extra video that'll show you a little bit up closer anyway. I gotta tell you, this was a privilege. It's beautiful. It went together very well. I had no missing pieces. I actually usually leave the floral stuff to Mrs. Stone's for use because I just find that it's a little bit frustrating. Usually don't go together very well. But this went together great. I mean, it was fine. The only thing, I will admit that the castle is more just sitting on there than fastened on there. Could be that I could adjust a few things to make it sit a little bit better, but it really is just sitting on there. It's kind of hard to get it to actually stick in there with the 4 bricks to hold it in place. Let me zoom into the middle here a little bit. Look at those flowers. They're beautiful. They got the big butterflies in there. The lighting feature is very nice, including lighting it from the bottom, not to mention inside the castle itself. I know it's really a privilege to build these things for you guys. I really appreciate your support. And yeah, this was so much fun. It just looks gorgeous. It is magical, I have to say. It's a magical build. We got little danglies dangling down there. I'll give a little close up of the castle itself. I mean, look how pretty it is. It's really just gorgeous. Alright guys, well, I hope this helped you decide whether you want to make one of these for yourself or not. I did get this from Temu. I'll try to find a link if I can on there, or I'll also try to find something on Amazon. Sometimes I'm lucky, sometimes not. But yeah, if you come across this one on Amazon, Simbo Block, I believe, is the one who makes this. Or if you come to it on Temu or you know, any of the other platforms, I think it's worth having. It looks gorgeous. It was a fun build, and I think it'd be a great tabletop display. You know, for just for beautification of your area. It's just gorgeous. It's so magical. All right, well, yeah, like I said, thanks again for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Please consider giving us a little financial support. We're trying to move from the deep red into a little towards the black. Just trying to break even here, not trying to make lots of money off this channel. Just trying to make sure we can continue to build things to help you decide what you'd love making next. All right, well, thanks so much for watching.